Dear friends, Science City Kolkata has always played an important role in communicating science to its stakeholders. Presently, we are going through an unprecedented crisis as a result of COVID 19. The only way we can combat this menace is by applying correct information in our daily lives. We believe that if our stakeholders have an access to correct information, they may in turn play a vital role in spreading awareness among the peers. As such, we have planned to address different issues related to COVID 19 containment by talking to different experts. Today, we will be addressing the issue of proper use of masks. Please let us know how you like this program. Also, what other issues you would like to know about in near future. We will definitely try to get in touch with respective experts accordingly. Thank you. We are all aware that at present government has issued advisories regarding the compulsory wearing of masks in public places. This measure is considered to be a vital component in fighting the menace of coronavirus infection in the community. But different types of masks are now available in the market, which often results in creating confusion regarding their efficacy, and most of us are unsure about the way masks should be handled. In order to have a better idea about mask management, today we have with us Dr. Shubhra Basu, Associate Professor, Institute of Postgraduate Education and Research, Kolkata. Welcome, sir. Sir, can you please tell us about the different types of masks that are available in the market?
So basically the first kind of mask is two-layered mask. These one two-layered mask, these another two-layered mask. These made of synthetic fiber and these made of simple linen, cotton cloth. So these are two-layered face mask. But one thing is this kind of mask have an piece for the nose bridge so that the mask can be fixed on the bridge of the nose where it doesn't happen. Anyway, so I just wear this kind of mask with a nose bridge. So before wearing a mask, you should wash your hands, then take the mask and first put the bridge of the nose, never touch front of the mask, and bind it behind and then below, taking care that your entire mouth is sealed. You have to breathe and in and out through the mask. So these are similar for cloth masks, which are often, these are green masks and has to be put on a similar fashion, nose first, and then you bind it here and then the lower parts. So this kind of thing. Another mask I want to show you, that is a N95, classical, the safest of the masks that are currently in vogue. This is meant primarily for healthcare workers who are particularly at risk, who are caring for corona positive patients. So again, do not touch front of the mask and wash your hands before the mask, and then you put it on as well as the nose bridge first. Then there are two straps. You put your chin below and the lower part, the other thing has to be put over it. So the important thing is that your nose bridge, the bridge of the nose and your chin should be completely enclosed. So it is basically airtight, and you see when I am sucking air, it is getting depressed. So while removing, always remove from behind. Never touch front of the mask. So one by one, I am removing it.
Now, can you please tell us whether we can wash these masks and reuse them?
Basically, this mask and this one is basically disposable mask. It is not to be reused. But if it has to be reused, you can reuse it. I mean, there is not much evidence in the scientific evidence because these are made for disposable single-use mask. So at least you can wash it with plain water and maybe with soap and put it in sunlight. These more so for the cloth masks. And these basically clothes, so it can be much better cleaned with soap and water and then dried in the sun.
That is quite informative, sir. Sir, to summarize, can you suggest some basic measures that every one of us can adopt now so that we can ward off this infection as much as possible?
Whenever you use mask, now government made it clear to the citizens that you must wear the mask while outside. But always the more important than wearing mask is maintaining physical distance. So always whenever you are standing in a queue or talking with someone, please at least maintain a distance of 2 meters. That is better. And the transmission is within 1 meter or 3 feet. So if you have a 6 feet distance, that is physical distancing, that is very important. In fact, that is more important than wearing masks. Okay, thank you so much.
On behalf of Science City, I would like to thank you for giving us your valuable time and enlightening us about this important issue. Thank you, Doctor.